This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lacey Chambers. This beautiful Lutz home features a custom enclosed heated pool and hot tub with a rock waterfall, providing a spectacular view from the front door entry. The split bedroom floor plan offers a main bedroom with ensuite bath containing a clawfoot tub separate from the walk-in shower, and includes a toilet closet and granite countertop. Directly off of the main bedroom are double doors leading to an enclosed space currently being used as a home gym, with an exterior door to the pool deck. The living room's sliding glass doors invite lots of natural light and pool deck access to a covered seating area. The kitchen offers granite countertops, an island with bar seating space, abundant cabinet space, and a breakfast nook. The family room is directly adjacent to the kitchen and contains a wood-burning fireplace and also has sliding doors to the pool deck. The secondary bathroom is situated between the second and third bedrooms, split from the main suite. The laundry room is inside the home and offers ample cabinetry and a utility sink. For added escape, a backyard gazebo may be just the place to play with a pet, read a book, or relax with a cup of coffee or glass of wine. The home sits on almost a full 1/4 acre lot. Community amenities include dog walk, basketball, tennis, community center, and storage available. The garage refrigerator conveys, the kitchen refrigerator does not convey. An intercom system is in place but is not currently functioning. Sellers require 30 days or less closing time frame. The community has a guard on duty 24 hours a day, 365 days per year. The home is occupied, so please allow for at least 2 hours advance notice for showings. For more information, review the details.